Hello, boys and girls of grade 5. Welcome to another mathematics class. Taking you through the adventures in maths, I am yours truly, Miss Yulita Brown. Today, we are going to be focusing on order of operations. In mathematics, order of operations are the rules that state the sequence in which the multiple operations in an expression should be solved. Boys and girls, do you remember what are the main operations in mathematics? Yes, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. A way to remember the order of the operations is BODMAS. We use the acronym BODMAS, where each letter stands for a mathematical operation. Let's take a look at what the letters mean. The B in BODMAS means brackets. O, order. D, division. M, multiplication. A, addition. And S, subtraction. The BODMAS rules that state the order in which the operations in an expression should be solved are B, brackets. They take precedence over all other operations. The first step is to solve all the operations within the bracket. Work out all groupings from inside out. Whatever is in the bracket is a grouping. O, order. Work out all the exponential expressions. That is, square roots, powers, etc. D, division. Moving from left to right, divide. M, multiplication. Moving from left to right, multiply. A, addition. Moving from left to right, add. And lastly, subtraction. Moving from left to right, subtract. So boys and girls, let's delve in a little more and let's work a few examples. Example 1, 4 plus 2 multiplied by 5. 4 plus 2 multiplied by 5. Look at that expression carefully. Which operation would you use first? 4 plus 2 multiplied by 5. Do we have any brackets in this expression? No, we don't have any brackets in this expression. We don't have any exponentials and we don't have any division. What comes after division? Yes, multiplication. So let's bracket off the multiplication section of the grouping. So in the next line, we have our equal sign, 4 plus, open bracket, 2 times 5, close brackets. So let's work what is in the bracket. 2 multiplied by 5 will give us a total of 10. So in the next line, we have 4 plus 10. Our answer there would be 14. You see how simple it is, boys and girls? I know you will be able to do this correctly at the end of this discussion. Let's look at example 2. 8 plus 6 multiplied by 5 to the second power plus 3. Let's read that again. 8 plus 6 multiplied by 5 to the second power plus 3. So let's zoom in a little closer on this expression? Do we have brackets? Yes. So we will start there. Do we have any exponents? Yes, we have 5 to the second power. So let's calculate 5 to the second power. 5 to the second power means 5 multiplied by 5. And 5 times 5 would give us a total of 25. So we go to our next line. We write back the numbers that we didn't use. 8 plus, open bracket, 6 times 25 plus 3. So let's work out what is in our brackets. We have multiplication and we have addition. Which one will come first? Yes, the multiplication will come first. 6 times 25. Let's work that. 6 times 25 will give us a total of 150. In our next line, we have 8 plus, open brackets, 150 plus 3. As usual, we work our brackets first. 150 plus 3 equals 153. And in the final line, all we have left is 8 plus 153. And 8 plus 153 will give us a total of 161. Boys and girls, are you following? I hope you are getting the hang of it. Now that we would have went through the examples, here is an activity for you to complete. The first one, calculate 15 minus, open brackets, 6 plus 6 multiplied by 6, close brackets, divided by 9 plus 5. 15 minus, open brackets, 6 plus 6 multiplied by 6, close brackets, divided by 9 plus 5. Take a minute to get that done, boys and girls. So boys and girls, what I like to tell my children, when you have expressions like these, just write the acronym in your margin so that you can remember. Brackets, order, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. 15 minus 6 plus, open brackets, 6 times 6, close brackets. We bracketed that off because we are working with multiplication now. Divided by 9 plus 5. Next line, 15 minus 6 plus 6 sixes will give us 36. Divided by 9 plus 5. So boys and girls, we have 3 expressions in this new line. Do you see them? Yes, we have to subtract, we have to add, and we have to divide. Which one will we use first? Yes, division comes before addition and subtraction. So let's move to the next line. 15 minus 6 plus 4. Where did we get that 4 from? We had to work 36 divided by 9. And 9 can go into 36 4 times. So we close that bracket. Plus 5. Now we have 2 operations. Which one will we use? Addition or subtraction? Yes, we will use addition because addition comes before subtraction. So we're working 15, take 10 plus 5. We bracket off our 10 plus 5 and we work that. 10 plus 5 will give us a total of 15. Next line, 15 take 15 equals 0. Boys and girls, do you have 0? If you do, that is absolutely correct. Our second problem, 15 plus 3 multiplied by 3 to the second power, take 14. So boys and girls, what is the first thing we work? Do we have any brackets? No, we don't have any brackets. Do we have any exponents? Yes, we have exponents. 3 to the second power. 3 to the second power means 3 multiplied by 3. And that will give us a total of 9. So the new expression reads 15 plus 3 multiplied by 9 minus 14. How many operations we have? 3. We have to add, we have to subtract, and we have to multiply. Which one will we do first? We will multiply first because multiplication comes before addition and subtraction. 3 9s will give us a total of 27. So let's rewrite the new expression. 15 plus 27 take 14. How many operations we have now? 2. Addition and subtraction. And we know that in BODMAS, addition comes before subtraction. So let's bracket off the addition aspect of it. 15 plus 27 take 14. 15 plus 27 will give us a total of 42. 42 take 14 will result in 28. Boys and girls, do you have 28? If you do, put a big tick because that is correct. So let's recap. Order of operations are the rules that state the sequence in which multiple operations in an expression should be solved. When we say the word sequence, we mean order, the order in which the operations should be solved. A simple way to remember the order of the operations is BODMAS, where each letter stands for a mathematical operation. So boys and girls, I trust that this concept was crystal clear. And I am confident that when you are faced with problems of this nature, you will be able to solve them. I hope you had fun learning today. We are about to bring the curtains down on this adventure in mathematics. But we could never bring our curtains down unless we test your problem-solving skills. So for today's problem, Indira bought 4 handbags costing $2,050 each. If she had $10,000 in her account, write a numerical expression, then find her balance after she paid for the handbags. Take a minute to get that done, boys and girls. Let's see what you have. Let me see if your problem-solving skills are up to mark. So let's first write our numerical expression. What do we know? That Indira bought 4 bags and each bag costs $2,050. We also know that she had $10,000 in her account. So the numerical expression should look like this. 10,000 minus $2,050 multiplied by 4. Do you have that? That is the first step. That is the first thing you had to do. You had to write a numerical expression. So now we proceed to find out if Indira has any money left in her account. So 10,000 minus $2,050 multiplied by 4. We have 2 operations there. Which one will we use first? Yes, multiplication. In BODMAS, multiplication comes before subtraction. So when $2,050 is multiplied by 4, we get a total of $8,200. So Indira spent $8,200 on the handbags. However, we still have to find out how much she paid for the shoe. So we have left $10,000, take $8,200 will be equal to $1,800. Therefore, Indira has $1,800 left in her account. Boys and girls, thank you for solving today's problem. You are excellent problem solvers. I am so proud of you. So now we can bring the curtains down. But I want to ask you a question. What do mathematicians do? Mathematicians work in different ways. Mathematicians strive, Mathematicians explore. Mathematicians reason. Mathematicians find solutions. You are a mathematician. Thank you for joining us, boys and girls. See you next time.